Every single day, millions of steel drums carry oil, fuel, and chemicals across the world. But what happens when they're empty and left for dead? This is where they come back, a remanufacturing facility where old battered drums don't get thrown away. They get completely reborn. Truckloads of used drums arrive daily from oil refineries, chemical plants, and fuel depots across the country. Workers unload each drum carefully. Right away, the intake process begins. Every drum is physically inspected for damage, corrosion, and contamination. Each drum is scanned and digitally logged. Its history, what it carried, how old it is, and where it came from, is recorded in the system. Drums are sorted by condition on automated conveyor belts. Only drums that meet reconditioning standards move forward. The rest are recycled as raw steel. Step 1 is exterior shot blasting. Thousands of tiny steel pellets fire at the drum's surface at high speed, stripping away every trace of rust and old paint in seconds. The transformation is immediate. Decades of corrosion and grime are gone, replaced by clean, raw, bare steel, ready for the next stage. Next, the drums enter the high-pressure hot water wash tunnel. Water jets blast the drum from every angle, removing oil residue, grease, and chemical traces that blasting alone can't reach. Drums that carried industrial chemicals are fully submerged in a heated chemical degreasing bath. This step is non-negotiable. It's a critical safety requirement. After washing, every drum passes through an industrial drying oven. All moisture must be eliminated before the drum moves to the next phase of processing. Now comes one of the most satisfying steps, hydraulic dent removal. A powerful ram pushes out every dent from the inside, restoring the drum to its original cylindrical form. Specialized rolling machines apply precise pressure to the drum body, correcting any warps or bends, so the drum is perfectly round once again. If the top or bottom lid panels are damaged beyond repair, they are removed entirely and replaced with brand new stamped steel panels cut to exact specifications. Cracked or compromised seam welds are ground down and re-welded by certified welders, bringing the drum back to full structural integrity. The chime rings, the structural ribs running around the top and bottom of the drum, are re-rolled on precision machines to meet UN certified strength standards. Before anything else happens, each drum is pressurized with air and checked for leaks. One tiny flaw and that drum does not pass. There is zero tolerance. Now the drum's interior gets attention. A robotic blast nozzle is lowered inside and the inner walls are shot blasted to bare metal, leaving them perfectly clean and perfectly smooth. Food grade or chemical grade epoxy lining is spray applied inside the drum through an automated rotating arm, coating every inch of the interior in a uniform protective layer. The lined drums travel through curing ovens where controlled heat bonds the epoxy, coating permanently to the steel, creating a surface that resists mold, corrosion, and chemical attack. On the outside, an anti-corrosion primer coat is applied through electrostatic spray, the essential base layer that ensures the final paint adheres and lasts for years. Then comes the final color coat, applied with robotic electrostatic precision. The drum is fully transformed, now gleaming in its finished industrial color. Freshly painted drums travel through drying tunnels where the finish hardens into a durable chemical-resistant shell built to survive years of tough industrial use. New bung fittings and precision PTFE gaskets are hand-installed and torqued to exact specification, ensuring a completely airtight, leak-proof seal. Every remanufactured drum must receive its UN certification stamp. Without this embossed code, the drum cannot legally carry hazardous materials anywhere in the world. New regulatory labels are printed and applied by hand. Batch number, manufacture date, capacity, and material compatibility are all clearly marked for compliance. Final quality control inspector walks the entire production line, checking every drum's appearance, label accuracy, bung tightness, and surface finish by hand. A sample from every production batch undergoes one final pressurized leak test in a water immersion tank. No bubbles. Every drum passes every single time. Certified drums are picked up by robotic arms and stacked onto shipping pallets in perfect formation, 4 drums per layer, ready for the warehouse. Each pallet is wrapped in industrial stretch film by an automated wrapping machine, locking the drums in place and protecting them for long-distance transport. Inside the finished goods warehouse, rows of clean, certified drums wait in silence. The contrast from where they started could not be more dramatic. Orders come in, and forklifts load the pallets onto outbound trucks. These drums are heading back out